Welcome back. And a fresh controversy has erupted ahead of the elections in Jammu and Kashmir. Aam Aadmi Party, which has decided to contest elections in Jammu and Kashmir, released its list of star campaigners. BJP now has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party, accusing Kejriwal of Parivarvad. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party facing this Parivarvad charge? Because in the list that it released, Arvind Kejriwal was named #1 on the list of star campaigners, followed by his wife Sunita Kejriwal. She's at #2. While Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann was listed at #3 and Kejriwal's close aide Manish Sisodia was listed at #4. Slamming this move, the BJP has alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party chief is putting family above party and that he does not trust his own party leaders.
लोकतंत्र की बात करते हैं और अपनी पार्टी में लोकतंत्र नहीं है। देखना तो ये भी चाहिए कि सुनीता केजरीवाल आम आदमी पार्टी की सदस्य है भी कि नहीं। और खुद जेल से आने के बाद मनीष सिसोदिया कह रहे थे कि नहीं, सुनीता केजरीवाल ने जितना करना था कर लिया। इस आम आदमी पार्टी में जब एक मुख्यमंत्री जेल में रहने के बाद अपनी कुर्सी नहीं छोड़ रहा, उसे अपने 60 विधायकों पे भरोसा नहीं है, तो ये तो पति पत्नी और इनकी पार्टी है जो इनके हिसाब से चीजें कंट्रोल होंगी। इनको लोकतंत्र से कोई मतलब नहीं है, इनको किसी चीज से कोई मतलब नहीं है। मैं, मेरा घर और मेरे बच्चे वो कैसे बढ़े, कैसे उसमें भ्रष्टाचार करें, ये पूरा फोकस है।
While the BJP is firing the Pati-Patni party jibe, it is the left that seem to have come out in defense of Arvind Kejriwal. Leaders of the left are going on to say that it is the prerogative of the party chief to decide who is going to feature where on the campaigners list. Listen in.
Only because he is the founder, he is the leader, unquestionable leader of that party. So they will decide who will be. We cannot decide who will be #1, who and 2. It is not our job to decide. It is not media's job to decide. So it is their job to decide whom they will place, whom they will post, whom they will give responsibility. It is their job. Their party, what their party thinks best, they are doing. Who are we to advise?
Tejshri is joining us live. Tejshri, a lot of criticism coming in, one from the Bharatiya Janata Party after the Aam Aadmi Party released its list of star campaigners for the elections in Jammu and Kashmir. The BJP says that by naming Arvind Kejriwal as #1 and Sunita Kejriwal as #2 in the list of star campaigners, the party has gone on to reveal that it does not trust anybody else and this is a Pati-Patni party. What is the reaction that's coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party as the BJP criticizes it over its campaigners list?
See, this is not for the first time that Aam Aadmi Party has been mentioning the name of Sunita Kejriwal on #2 after Arvind Kejriwal went to Tihar jail. But important this time is because Manish Sisodia, who is #2 in the party and was the former Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital, he himself highlighted the fact that Sunita Kejriwal will not be holding a political role or she will not be in a major political role after Arvind Kejriwal walks out of jail. And then we see the list of Aam Aadmi Party's star campaigner in particularly Jammu Kashmir, where Sunita Kejriwal's name is at #2. However, there has been no official response on the allegations that the BJP has been making about Parivarvad, about Pati-Patni party. But yes, as we saw, the leaders of left are also supporting Arvind Kejriwal on one hand, and on the other hand, you also need to see what the Congress party is saying. Congress leader Sandeep Dixit has said that
for our viewers, since the time Arvind Kejriwal has been jailed, Sunita Kejriwal has become quite active and we saw how she had campaigned for the party. But clarify this for our viewers. What post does she hold in the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, officially she does not hold any position or post in the Aam Aadmi Party, but yes, she has been the part of major campaigns, major political rallies, Jan Sabhas, and in fact during the Lok Sabha elections also we saw that Jail Ka Jawab Vote Se, this was the campaign that was started by Aam Aadmi Party, and Sunita Kejriwal was seen sharing the stage. In fact, we also remember she addressed the crowd and was participated in the India Bloc rally as well, not just in the national capital but across wherever the India Bloc rally was held against the arrest of Kejriwal.
But is the #2 in the Aam Aadmi Party officially? Or is there a confusion in the Aam Aadmi Party taking that as well?
Yes, #2 is Manish Sisodia officially. No, see, the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party say that Manish Sisodia is the senior most leader after Arvind Kejriwal, and under his guidance, under his umbrella, they will be in fact, presenting the model of education or any other thing as they require, because now Manish Sisodia is also participating in the meetings of India Bloc or the allies, and they have to ally with. So, according to the party, what they believe is that Manish Sisodia stands number 2. He is the MLA,
Right.
not the minister, and not the deputy chief minister as well, because the chief minister is in jail and the file cannot be signed.
But the star campaigners list for a state like Jammu and Kashmir that has been released shows Arvind Kejriwal as number 1 in the list of star campaigners. Then it's Sunita Kejriwal. Then it's Bhagwant Mann, who's a chief minister. And then there is Manish Sisodia. And the political fight continues, and we'll keep our focus on that story as well. Tetri, thank you for joining us with all those details.